So I got a request for a Valentine's Day heart topper, and I found this cool model for a neat heart. So this has been printing since this morning, and set on it. I've had 14 hours. We're at 10 hours now, so it's been going for about 4 hours. Stuff like this I was worried about it's going to malfunction while I'm away, but I don't want to jinx myself, but it's looking pretty good so far anyway. So that's good. Looks pretty cool though. It's going to be pretty big. This is only like 1/3 of this heart.